Hi guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in this new video. So in this particular video, we are looking for how we can prepare the 3D terrain model using the global mapper. So here what we have to do, just open the global mapper, okay, and you need to open the data files. Click on the open data files and you can see here we have created one area one data file, okay. Now just select that area KML file and click on open. When you click on open, this particular area will be reflecting like this, but we need to configure this area with respect to our northing and easting coordinate system. Okay, so we are in 44 section. So what we have to do, just go to the global mapper, go to our this particular section configure, okay, and then you need to just click on a projection, come here and set it as a UTM, okay, universal transform mercator. When you click on this, it automatically take the file zone over here and it will show you the data, okay, like this. Now click on the apply and click on OK. After that, this particular area is shifted to the same location, whatever we have taken from the Google Earth. Now you need to click on this, okay, connect to the online data, and we will bring the elevation portion for this particular area. Now there is one pop-up will reflect and we need to connect on that. So it will help you, okay, to provide the proper data. We need to just click over here as a connect and you can see there will be the elevation format will be generated from the bottom side. Okay. Now you can see here this particular color represent the elevation and this particular bar chart represent or this highlight will you can see this color is may lack over here. It means the elevation portion is more or less 320. Okay, in between the 300 or 350. After that, we can import a various kind of source data in Civil 3D software. And let me tell you one thing, Civil 3D is one of the best software offered by the Autodesk. Okay, so what we have to do, just go over here in File, click on the Export, click on the Export Elevation Grid format. Okay, and then export this data. You can export this data in different format, but we want in DEM file. Okay, over here DEM file and click on OK and just click on OK. After that, you can see vertical units are in decimeter. Just change it to meter because we our all work will be in meter. And then click on OK. And you need to save this data, okay, as a area 1 DEM, okay, like this and save. Right. Now guys, in the next lecture, I'll be teaching you how to import this DM file data in Civil 3D. Okay, and then we can draw the alignment, the horizontal alignment, then we prefer a profile and we can draw the vertical alignment in Civil 3D. So thank you for watching video. We will see in the lecture number 3.